Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for new notification on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today we'll be making Rolo Delight candies. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from Hershey Delights. I'll leave a link down below where you can find this great recipe. I'll be making it two different ways. I'm making dark chocolate, which will be made in my air fryer oven. I also will be making milk chocolate, which will be made in my RV oven. What we're going to need for our recipe will be pretzels. I got just normal small pretzels. We're going to be using Rolo's milk chocolate. They have caramel in the middle. And you have options for tops. We're going to do one baking sheet with pecans and one baking sheet with M&ms. All we do is lay down our pretzels. Now I'm going to put pretzels down. You're going to want to make the pretzels a little space apart here. So you can see, a little bit of space apart because we're going to put candy on top. And you're going to want an easy pull up. Milk chocolate. Just going to put one candy on top, just like that. My oven is at 250. We're going to place pretzels and our Rolos on top. We just want to melt the chocolate, so we're going to barely leave them in for about 2 to 5 minutes. I'm just straightening them up. I just pulled them out of the oven. All we are is going to take our pecans and we're just going to push it down. And we just put them to the side and let them cool. So for this one, we're going to put M&ms on top of each one. I have Christmas ones, so red and green. Get some greens in. We're just going to put on top and push down. I got my stirring stick and I'm just going to push down. So I'm going to hold on to the pretzels. This works much better. So I save my chopsticks. I call them stirring sticks, and you just take it and push it down right in the middle. There, that works out great. We're going to get started on the air fryer ones. My air fryer only has one pan, so I'm using the one with the holes in it for the air frying, and I just put parchment paper on top. Just going to have to watch it a little bit more. You got to use what you got sometimes. Okay, I'm going to put my candy in for just 5 minutes. We just want to soften it. So I pulled mine out at a 2-minute mark. We're going to do the same thing and just put on our pecans on these. Just push in the middle. Okay, put these on top in the middle, hopefully. Now I got more green than red. Barely touched on top. Then we're going to push it down with a stirring stick. Okay, they're all in the middle. Crack across the sides and just push down. I'm just getting the sides of it and I'm pushing it down with my stirring stick. There, all perfect. Okay, we need to let these cool for an hour, then we can finally try them. It's been 1 hour, our candy is completely cool. Now for the fun part, we get to try our candy. I got my snowflake plate. We're going to put some pecans on. Dark chocolate. And now it's time to try our Rolo Pretzel Delights. And now for the fun part. We get to try our Rolo Delights. My camper smells heavenly. Can't wait to try these. Let's do dark chocolate with the M&ms. The dark chocolate, the bitterness of the dark chocolate goes so well with the saltiness of the pretzels and a little bit of burst of a regular chocolate. And M&ms, so good. Let's give a try for our pecan ones. This is milk chocolate with pecans. Oh, it's so good. Milk chocolate is on the sweet side, and you got the saltiness of the pretzel, and you got the crunch of the pecans. Really good. And this is really what's simple to make. It didn't take long at all. It'd be great.